In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the various pricing plans available from ElevenLabs, an innovative platform recognized for its advanced AI audio capabilities. Whether you're an individual interested in experimenting with AI audio or a large enterprise seeking customized solutions, there's a plan suited for your needs. To get started, open your preferred web browser. Once you're ready, you'll discover that ElevenLabs currently offers 7 distinct plans. Understanding these options will help you choose the one that best aligns with your goals and usage requirements. Let's begin with the free plan. If you're an individual curious about testing the waters of AI audio, this plan is perfect for you. It comes equipped with 10,000 credits, allowing you to explore and experience the most advanced AI audio creation tools without an initial cost. It's a great opportunity for anyone hesitant about making a financial commitment but eager to see what the technology can do. For those who are hobbyists, perhaps working on personal projects or smaller-scale endeavors, ElevenLabs offers a plan at just $5 per month. This comes with 30,000 credits each month and is ideal for those with a budding interest in AI audio who require a bit more than what the free plan offers. Moving on to the most popular choice, particularly among creators crafting premium content for global audiences, is the plan priced at $22, which is currently available at a promotional rate of just $11 per month. With this plan, you'll receive 100,000 credits each month, providing ample opportunity to create high-quality content that reaches a wide audience. For creators who find themselves ramping up production, the Pro plan is available at $90 per month. This plan affords you 500,000 credits every month, making it excellent for those whose content creation demands are steadily increasing. If you're in a startup or publishing company, you might be interested in the Scale plan. Priced at $330 per month, it includes 2 million credits and offers 3 seats, making it collaborative and scalable for growing teams. For rapidly scaling startups and publishers needing even more resources, the business plan offers 11 million credits with 5 seats at a cost of $1,120 per month. This robust plan is designed to support rapid growth and extensive content demands. Finally, for larger enterprises with substantial needs, the Enterprise plan is available. This option features custom pricing tailored to the needs of large-scale operations, offering volume-based discounts and custom terms to suit specific business requirements. These diverse plans ensure that whether you're an individual, a burgeoning startup, or a large corporation, you can find a package that fits your requirements perfectly. By selecting the right plan, you can effectively manage your resources and engage with ElevenLabs' cutting-edge AI audio technology to its fullest potential.